Imagine a world where your every move, every decision is analyzed by an unseen intelligence. A world where AI determines if you get a loan, a job, or even if you're a suspect in a crime. This isn't a scene from a sci-fi movie. It's the future we are building right now. And as this powerful technology weaves itself into the fabric of our lives, a silent, global race has begun. A race not for dominance, but for control. This is the story of how humanity is trying to write the rules for artificial intelligence before it writes them for us. Across the Atlantic, in the heart of Europe, the European Union is pioneering what could become the global gold standard, the EU AI Act. It's a sweeping piece of legislation that categorizes AI systems by risk. Think of it like a pyramid. At the top, systems deemed an unacceptable risk, like social scoring by governments, are banned outright. Below that, high-risk AI, such as tools used in hiring or law enforcement, face strict requirements for transparency, accuracy, and human oversight. The goal is clear: build trust, but critics worrying. Could these tough rules stifle innovation, causing Europe to fall behind in the AI revolution? The tension is palpable. Meanwhile, the United States is taking a different path. Instead of one giant rulebook, it's a patchwork of strategies. The White House has issued executive orders promoting safe, secure, and trustworthy AI, and federal agencies are developing their own guidelines. The approach is more flexible, more pro-innovation. It champions a market-driven solution, believing that competition and industry standards will naturally weed out the bad actors. But this raises a haunting question. In a race for profit, will ethics take a backseat? Without strong federal laws, who protects the citizen from a biased algorithm or corporate decision made by a machine? The United Kingdom finds itself somewhere in the middle. It's charting its own course, aiming to be a global AI superpower by balancing innovation with what it calls a pro-innovation regulatory framework. Rather than creating a new AI-specific regulator, the UK is empowering existing bodies to govern AI within their sector's finance, healthcare, and so on. It's a pragmatic approach, designed to be agile and adapt quickly. But can this decentralized model handle the systemic, society-wide challenges that AI presents? Can a collection of separate watchdogs truly tame a technology that knows no boundaries? The truth is, no single country can solve this alone. AI is global. A model built in Silicon Valley can be deployed in Seoul in seconds. That's why international cooperation is becoming the most crucial frontier. Organizations like the United Nations and the G7 are hosting global summits trying to forge a common understanding. They're debating principles for AI safety, fairness, and accountability. Imagine world leaders in a high-stakes negotiation, not over territory, but over algorithms. They are trying to build a digital Geneva Convention, a shared set of ethics for a new kind of intelligence. But the biggest challenges aren't in government halls. They are in the code itself. How do we prevent AI from inheriting our own biases? How do we ensure that a self-improving system doesn't develop goals that conflict with our own? These are the existential questions that keep computer scientists and ethicists awake at night. We are standing at a crossroads, a pivotal moment in human history. The decisions we make today, the laws we write, the standards we set, the values we embed into these systems will echo for generations. This isn't just about technology, it's about our future. It's about what kind of world we want to live in. A world governed by opaque, unaccountable machines, or one where technology serves humanity, guided by our deepest ethical principles. The race for AI control is on, and the stakes could not be higher. What do you think is the right path forward? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If this story made you think, please like this video and subscribe for more deep dives into the future we're creating together.